we are once again. Welcome to my channel, Tinkering Prasoon. Namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, depending on the time what you're looking at this video. So I am bringing another video in the series of modification of the Java Perak. Java Perak is a beautiful bike, yes, of course it is, but there are some issues when we use it in practical life. There are a few things which are observed. There are two issues that we want to discuss today. One issue is the ground clearance, which is the major issue. In 2019, I did a Ladakh trip. That was on my other bike, the CBZ modified again. The kind of roads that we saw there makes me wonder if I can take this bike to the same trip once again or not. And mind you, I am planning in April, there's another visit to Ladakh, and I'm going to face the similar kind of situations where we have to cross rivers and all that with a lot of big boulders and all. So I want to increase the ground clearance to whatever limit I can. So that's one issue which I'm going to address today. Other issue is the side stand. When we operate it with the heel most often touches the silencer, the exhaust pipe here. And I've heard so many people complaining that the paint on the exhaust goes off, fades away because of continuous touch by the heel. So I'm going to address that also. These two issues have to be done up in a workshop where I can lift the bike up on a ramp, because that's where I'm going to reach the underbelly of the bike. So we are off to the workshop. Let's go there. So here we are at Bhavya Bike Spare Parts. They have a showroom also, not a showroom, a workshop behind. So I'm going to meet the owner here, Mr. These are the two boys working here, and they are saying hello to you. So, विपिन जी कहाँ है? विपिन जी आ रहे हैं। अच्छा ठीक है, मैं उनके लिए वेट करूंगा। Now the bike is put up on the ramp, and as you can see, along with that ramp there is another ramp, and you can see the height here. It is not really too great. Yes, of course it is a little bit high, but as I was putting it up, the Perak, on the ramp, I used this slider, and while going up there is so much of a problem of the ground clearance that my side stand hit the ramp and it is now free. That means the spring has either broken or it has come off loose. So there must be the spring somewhere fallen. Let me find out. So the spring has come off, and this is what we are trying to address. As we can see here, that it does not go up. First one, that there is no center stand. Because of that I had to put it up on the brakes, 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. This is to keep the bike upright. Now I am going to approach the middle section of it for trying to increase the ground clearance. Alright, so the broken side stand, it is without the spring. The spring is here now, so I can fit it up. Of course nothing has gone wrong, it can be fitted back very easy. What we are trying to do here is that when the side stand goes up all the way, this is the area which you can see is the free area. That means around this is the margin by which the stand can come up. And this is happening, it is stopping here because it is getting locked here at this place here. So the stopper is coming at this place. So what we may do is create little bit of space here and little bit on the up wherever it is touching. By doing that, we can take this stand up to an extent. We have to be careful not to take it too way up. If that happens, that is going to cause trouble. When accidentally, if the stand is hitting the ground, bottom hits, then it may damage the exhaust pipe. So we have to be careful. We can do that. I think I have 10 mm of gap available. So with that, we can increase the ground clearance by about 10 mm. But that 10 mm can be the difference between a broken side stand and a happy face bach gaya. So I have opened the side stand, and at this point, this is the point where there is metal to metal contact. When it goes up, it hits the locker here. So what we need to do is increase little bit of spacing here. So what we are going to do is create little bit of space at this place so that the stopper there can go in. That means comparatively, relatively, this will go up in opposite direction. And when it is lifting up, definitely it is going to create a little bit more space at the bottom, below the exhaust. So now if we are seeing, this was coming up to this point earlier. With this grinding, it can now go up to this one. So there is about 10 centimeters of clearance increase by doing this little bit of grinding on both sides. One in the stand, other on the chassis frame. The kind of material that I have removed is not too much, so there is not going to be any integrity problem with the structure. So it is, I think, in my opinion, it is going to be quite safe. No issues. Oh, so the pin has broken here. Alright, so this requires a little bit of more job. Now I have to do welding. The pin, actually I was thinking that the pin is intact, only the spring has come off, but actually it is not. What has happened is that the pin where it locks, the spring locks, is broken. That was when I was putting it up, when I was taking it onto the ramp. So now the job increased, I have got to get it welded. So I now need to find out that pin and get it welded. Alright, so unfortunately there is no welder nearby. So what I need to do is go back to a welder who is a little bit far off from here. So what I have planned, I will tie it up and take it to the welder और वहाँ welding करके, and then I will put the spring back. Meanwhile, the other issue that I was talking about was the heels hitting the exhaust pipe every time you want to operate the stand. And for that, I have done a little bit of modification that will save the exhaust pipe and it will not damage the paint there. So what I have done, I had a piece like this which I have removed from an old CBZ which I had. I was working on some turbochargers, so I had removed one of the exhaust, put another exhaust, and lot of cutting, welding, etc. So this has come useless, and it was lying in my garage for no reason. So I have made use of this, and I have fitted this where the heel is going to hit the exhaust pipe, and that's where it is here. So just to show you, I have already drilled 2 holes, and I have got 2 self-threading screws which I have worked out. You just put it here and screw it in the place. So now fitted, no problem. When you are operating the heel will be hitting this, not the paint. This was available with me, ready-made, so I have put it here. But this is a very easy piece, anybody can fabricate it. Once looking at this, it can be made very easy. So this is going to solve that other problem I started off with. One, the ground clearance, other, the heel hitting the exhaust pipe. So well done. Able to do this, you are getting rid of these 2 problems.